Welcome everybody to What's That Vinyl? The game show where our contestants have a chance to win fabulous prizes if they can guess what's that vinyl? Our first contestant is an actor musician by night, and by day he's a marketing analyst for Siser North America. He's as handsome as he is smart, which is a lot, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Joe Piazza.
Thank you so much for having me on What's That Vinyl?
Now, Joe, we were looking at your Facebook and we saw the cutest thing. Do us all a favor here and tell us about hashtag paw shakes.
Oh, you saw that? Awesome. I'm trying to push that hashtag, make it viral. It's where you give your animal a handshake. So I have a dog, and every once in a while I say, Jack, let me see your paw. Paw shakes. Hashtag paw shakes. Start it now.
Paw shakes. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand clap one more time for Joe and hashtag paw shakes. Our second contestant is a support technician. He hails from beautiful sunny Southern California and has a lifelong passion for heat presses and the Los Angeles Lakers. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. Stefan Romero. All right, Stefan, well, welcome to the show. Now, I see you're wearing a #1 pin there. Is that indicating your hopes for today? Are you hoping to be #1 on What's That Vinyl?
Absolutely. Trying to be #1 in this contest, bring home the gold like the Lakers do. Let's do this.
Yeah, I love the enthusiasm, Stefan. Okay, everyone, we're gonna get right to it. For 100 points in our first round, contestants, tell me, what's that vinyl? Yes, Stefan.
Is it Siser Royal Brick 600?
That's correct. 100 points to Stefan. Siser Royal Brick 600 is the correct answer. Now, what do you do when you need an extra layer of dimension on your HTV project? Maybe you want a 3D looking graphic that really pops on your t-shirt. Look no further than Siser Brick 600, which is a fantastic looking product that can even be cut with your favorite craft cutter. How about a round of applause for this fantastic product, Siser Brick 600. All right, the correct answer for our second round is gonna be worth 200 points. Gentlemen, please tell me, what's that vinyl? Stefan.
Is it Siser Rainbow Holographic?
Stefan, by God, you got it. Siser Rainbow Holographic. There aren't too many products out there quite like Siser Holographic. It looks spectacular in all colors, but this rainbow is absolutely stunning. Use it to make your next project stand out like a unicorn. Siser Rainbow Holographic.
How could you have possibly known that? All these vinyls look the same.
Ooh, I think we have a salty Sally on our hands. Joe, tell me, what did you think you were getting yourself into when you signed up to be on What's That Vinyl?
Like guessing album artwork, records, what's that vinyl?
That's actually a really good idea. But no, we're playing What's That Vinyl? The game show where our contestants try to guess their favorite Siser products just by the silhouette alone. So try your best, Joe. On to the next round. Now for a whopping 300 points, gentlemen, please take a look at the screen and tell me, what's that vinyl? Yes, Joe.
Siser Strip Flock Red.
Ooh, Joe, I'm sorry, that's the incorrect answer. Stefan, would you like to jump in for the steal? Stefan.
Is it Siser Etch Easy PSV?
That's correct! Great job, Stefan! Siser Etch PSV is part of Siser's PSV line of adhesive decal vinyl. Now, as the name implies, Siser Etch PSV gives a beautiful etch or frosted look when applied to windows, mirrors, and other smooth, hard surfaces. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and our studio audience, our final round is worth an incredible 1,000 points, potentially rendering all previously earned points completely irrelevant. Gentlemen, take a look at the screen and tell me, what's that vinyl? Yes, Stefan.
Is it Siser Chalkboard Easy PSV?
Ooh, I am so sorry, Stefan. That's gonna be an incorrect guess. Joe, would you like to chime in for the steal? Yes, Joe.
Siser Blackboard HTV?
Oh my gosh, she's done it! Siser Blackboard HTV is the correct answer. Of course, it would be the latest and greatest from Siser North America. Blackboard HTV, enabling everyone to make any garment a wearable blackboard to write on with their favorite chalks.
I won? Yes! What's one banner? Yes! Winner! That's me! Woo! Thank you so much! Yes!
We'd like to congratulate our winner, Mr. Joe Piazza. Joe, it's
Thank you so much. I had so much fun winning.
Well, thanks for being on our show today, and thank you for watching
What's That Vinyl?
This one and probably only episode of What's That Vinyl was filmed in front of a stock studio audience. All the Siser vinyl featured in this episode is available at your local Heat Press Nation.